managing a network. The name is Rastoma, and we want to improve our experience and knowledge about income-generating activities, and that's why we created last year a workshop in Kobe about income-generating activities. And today it's the second session of this workshop. And so I met Tushan last year during the workshop, and we decided to do the second edition of it together. So I give the mic to Tushan so that he can present himself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So actually, what we discussed was that to share our knowledge and experience, especially from the participants coming from Asia, Africa, and Central and South America. So especially those who are working with communities, how we can raise funds to provide alternative livelihoods, and also sometimes we are scratching our heads to think about, what we can provide as an alternative for destructive environmental practices. So actually I'm going to share my own experience in Sri Lanka over 20 years of period. So I will that we can exchange our knowledge. We want to learn from you, everyone wants to learn from each other, and at the end of the day, we will be very happy if we can list down the things that we can do and how we can raise more money so we can protect more turtles, and also we can support more communities in our countries and through our project. So that is the main aim of this project, this workshop. So I hope Gerard and I can manage it with the time, with your support. So we can begin the program now.
Okay. So at the beginning, it was not how to fund sea turtle programs. At first, last year it was income generating activity workshop, and then discussing with Tushan, we decided to go more with livelihood generating activities. And so we made a proposal to the ISTS, and they changed the title this way. So we are not really comfortable with this title, but we can discuss it. But to go in the subject, what is more, I think it will be more clear with the program. I will do a short introduction of what we are aiming at together today, and what we plan to do together, how we will debate. And then we will have two sessions. And one session is more about how to fund sea turtle project. And the second one is more about livelihood. And so the benefit to the communities and the benefit to the sea turtle program. But of course, all the things are mixed and related. So it's not easy to separate, but I think it's interesting to debate on this also. So we will have some presentation, and we will have some part of discussion too, and we kept a big amount of time to debate. So I think it's important that you, if you are not a presenter, you can bring your knowledge and experience through the debate, and I'm waiting for this. I hope we will interact a lot. And that's it for the program. So we have a coffee break between the two sessions, and that's it. So about the objective and the output of the workshop. So according to me, but you can add something after if you want. The goal of this workshop is to share knowledge and experience about fundraising and livelihood generating activities in link with sea turtle program. Of course, we are all working on sea turtles, and so the goal is to talk about income generating activities and livelihood generating activities in link with sea turtles. And I think another point important is to, one of my goals is to identify resource persons with experience and knowledge on a diversity of income or livelihood generating activities. Meaning, when I'm talking about my position in Central Africa, we have NGOs and they try to develop activities to generate fund or livelihood. So we feel the need, and that was the first motivation for this workshop last year. We feel the need to have a contact person, resource persons, who can, when we have an idea, we can contact them and then try to build something really efficient and benefit from the failure and the success of others. And that's really important for me. I'm a network guy, I like to work with people, and it's no use to do things from the beginning. If someone did it before, first we have to talk. That's my goal. Okay. And we plan to have some outputs, because we want to be goal-oriented and to have something to share with other people, because for Africa, if you look in the room, we have Andrew. So we have one African. Okay. And we tried to have more African in the room, and my network supports some, but they didn't get the visa. This is another subject, but my goal is the product of this meeting, the output of this meeting, I want to be able to share it with those people who are not able to join us for different reasons. So I want to produce something, and I propose some ideas. So I think it's really useful, the list of participants at the entry. I hope you put your name on it and email on it, because it's the basis. We have a mailing list at the end, and we can share, and then I can share, if you agree, I will share this list with the people in Africa, for example, but we can share with others in India or Southeast Asia too, and they can benefit from the network and ask questions to the group, okay? Then we will have the slideshow, if you agree, for the people who will present something. I would like to put them online, and we can put them on the website of Tushan and on the Rastoma website. And this is another way to spread the message and to share the slideshow and the presentation we will make today. Tushan brought some products. Maybe you can explain a little bit. You will explain later? Okay. So if you have something from your activities, you're doing something in your region with Sea Turtle and you produce some merchandise, you commercialize things to produce some incomes, feel free and you can put them on the table so that we can see the diversity of the product from the Sea Turtle project to produce income for the project of the community. So Tushan put 3 or 5 things, I think. You will explain, and maybe if you have other things, you can put them on the table. And then maybe we can also share some know-how, meaning if you have some model, if you have some blueprints of machine or the way to construct a merchandise or to propose, to construct a service that you can sell afterward. If you have some documentation, technical documentation that can help others to go forward with it, please feel free to share with the group. And yes, we will have a report of our outcome and decision following the discussion we will have. And everything, if you agree, we will put it online so that the maximum number of people can benefit of it. Okay, I think that's it. And the next, so coming back to the program, I'm finished with the introduction. And then I would like that we know each other better. So if you agree, we will go around the room and each of you can present what he is doing and where he's working and what are you waiting from this workshop. Thank you. Okay, very quickly. So I don't know if I have enough while I will try. You want to do it like loud? Or you want to
I don't speak English well. I'm from Colombia and now I live in Mexico. I have a foundation and I support 5 total camp with with gas and another item that they needed. I need to